So the third stage of our workforce planning is by doing a data analysis. This is about identifying exactly where we need to fill the gaps and exactly how we need to fill those gaps. This is the part where we look at the difference between our current supply versus our demand and what gap we have in between. A bit like the workforce projection summary that I showed you, but specifically it will tell you what job roles, at what times and what periods. It's about trying to find a way of closing those gaps. It's about coming up with the actual methods we are going to use or we feel will be the most effective in making sure those gaps are minimized and that we don't have these issues as we approach them. It's all about how can we reduce costs? How can we minimize risks? How can we increase productivity? How can we increase profitability? How can we increase retention of our best staff? How can we make sure that we are attracting the best performing, highly qualified people who are out there in our field and reducing our low morale and our poor performers within the organization? So here are again a non-exhaustive list of gap-filling methods of ways and places that you can look to in order to conduct this particular phase of your workforce planning. So I'll let you have a read through these and we'll see you for the next stage.